Hello community, hope you are doing well. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe and like and share the video. If you haven't, click on the join button, please join button, and you can also support with the PayPal and Coffee. Okay, so in this video we are going to see how to create an Angular application in macOS. And for macOS and Windows, both have the same command line, and we are going to use command line to create an Angular projects. Okay, so it is the best way to create an Angular projects. For the creating Angular application, you have to install Node.js and Angular CLI. If you don't know how to install Node.js and Angular CLI, please check our previous video. Okay, let's start with the terminal. You have to open terminal in macOS, and in Windows you have to open the command prompt. Okay, so let's open the terminal. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go in this folder where you want to store a Angular project. So I'm going to into the document file where I want to store the Angular projects. Okay, so here in this I'm going to YouTube video. Okay, for creating Angular application, command is same. Okay, here you can see I go into the YouTube video. Here you can type the command ng new my first application. Okay, so here Angular asks you to create a Angular router or not. If you want to create routing file, then you can type a Y. If you don't want to create an router file, you can type N. So routing file is necessary in Angular project because when you want to redirect one page to another page, at that time you need the Angular routing file. So here I am typing Y. Okay, so in the next question they will ask you which format would you like to use. Okay, in next question they will ask you which style format would you like to use. If you want to use CSS, you can use CSS. If you want to SCSS, you can use SCSS. Here they are providing the multiple option of style sheet. You can select any of one which you want to use in your project. Okay, so here I am using the CSS because we are not going to modify this project in detail in this video. Okay, so I'm selecting CSS over here and press the enter. It's installing the node packages which is required for our Angular. Make sure you have a stable internet when you are creating a new application or installing the node modules. Okay, you can see here Angular application created successfully. Now we can navigate into that with the cd command. Okay, cdmi. Okay, so let's open in IDE. I am opening Visual Studio Code over here. So open folder, in that we added that projects into YouTube. We added that projects into YouTube video folder, and here you can see the application is created. You have to select this application name and click on the open. Okay, you can see here the list of file which is created by Angular CLI, which is needs to run the project. Okay, and now you can open the terminal over here, or over here you can select the terminal from the tab and click on the new terminal. It will open the terminal over here. So you have to run over here ng-serve to run the Angular project. This command is also same for both Mac and OS. You can see our application is successfully compiled. Okay, so here you can open into the browser using this link http localhost 4200. You can see here Angular application is running, and we can see the first Angular page of our project. Okay, so this is the things you can create the Angular application. Okay, these are the commands like ng new project name, and for running the Angular application you have to use ng. So these are the command to run application and creating Angular project. Okay, if you have any doubt or question, please comment in this video and like this video. Thank you.